y'all back in the garage. So today we got some new parts for the chopper, so we're gonna get those on today and see what it looks like. Nothing major. We got a new chain, so hopefully it'll be long enough. We got Peckcock for the fuel tank, and then we also got a fuel filter for it. So all of this from TC Bros. So let's take a look at the products and yeah, get to it. All right, so here we go. We got a chain, it's 120 length, 530 heavy duty chain. We have the fuel filter right here. Came in this box, has the parts in it right here, right there. And then we got the Peckcock here. This is a 3/8 NPT male valve fuel Peckcock, which matches the replica tank that I got from Lowbrow. So yeah, we're gonna get all this on there today, but first let's take a look and see what the bike looks like without it. So not gonna do a how-to video today, but just kind of show you. So the Peckcock's gonna go right here. We have a bunch of excess fuel line that came on it originally with the broken fuel filter here, and it's really long, so I got a shorter one. So we're gonna just take this, put it on here, wrap it around, and then the chain, just remove this cover, foot peg, kickstand, or sorry, kickstart, sorry, and then route the chain and try and get it set today so we can hopefully have the ability to, once we get an oil tank, obviously, and battery, to you know, make the bike run under its own power. So I'm gonna get into it and I'll get back with y'all whenever I'm done. All right, so we got the chain on, we got the Peckcock on, so I'll show you all that, but the push rods fell down when I took the cam cover off, I think is what it's called. I'm not sure on the Ironhead, but I'll show you what I did and had to do to get it off, and then we'll wrap up the video. All right, so as you can see, we got the chain on. We got the Peckcock on there. I put the air filter back on just to make sure I didn't have any hose hanging out. But essentially, we got the Peckcock on. I took the hose, I wrapped it around here like this and connected it back. I did not put the filter on just because it would have caused it to stick out, and that's not the aesthetic that I was going for. And then to get the chain on, I had to remove this here, which is connected back here to this, and then to the shift shaft back here. And that was a whole 2-3 hour long process to get it to come off and stuff like that. But I had to remove the cam cover, and then this cam pulled out and stayed attached because the ignition module is back over here. And then this cam came out with this connector piece, and then when that did, the rods fell through. So now I gotta figure out how to deal with that, but that's a separate issue. So yeah, but with that being said, that's it for today's video. If you like what you see and want to see more, please like, comment, subscribe. I'm about to order some more parts for the chopper, so hopefully in the next video coming up, we can get some more parts on and get moving ahead. So see you on the next one.